All right, you ready, sweetness?
Yeah.
Okay. So, greetings. If you are new to the channel, my name is Eric Moss. I am a modern-day performing strongman. Basically, what that means is I perform feats of strength as part of a live show, like what you might see during vaudeville, but with a modern-day twist. Here with me today is my daughter, Aurora, appearing as herself, Princess Aurora. Can you say hi, sweetness?
Hi.
Now, you just asked me what this is. Do you remember?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
It is a combination plier, 8-inch. It says here, drop forged. Let's see it. Drop forged high carbon steel, hardened and tempered. So hopefully this doesn't suck too much. Now, I don't do this feat a lot. I normally save this when I am performing for corporate audiences or technical schools that use that sort of thing, because I try to customize the show to be relevant to the audience.
Looks like the mailman.
Yeah, the mailman is here. So, combination plier. All right. You ready to see me break this, sweetness?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'll sit on the step.
You're gonna sit on the steps? Not a problem. So I wrap up this end here. These are kind of greasy. The pliers, that is. I don't know, they just kind of came that way. So hopefully it doesn't be too slippery. Okay. So, pliers. What's kind of tricky is that this has a tendency to want to move, and I have to bend it with that possibly happening. It's also been kind of a, oops, I'm off frame. Kind of a long day moving a gigantic pile of wood chips. I basically got a dump truck full, and I maybe got a quarter of it done.
Is this yours, Dad?
What is it?
Is this yours?
What is it?
Is this yours? Is that yours? Is this yours?
Yeah, I don't know what it's from though. So we're going to just get rid of this. Okay. Not too close, sweetness. Okay. This is the part that hurts.
What are you doing?
I'm bending the pliers open. There you have it. Looks kind of like bunny ears. Right, sweetness?
Yeah.
Here, come here.
What?
Come here. Here, look at the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. You're like a bunny. Hop, 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 hop. Okay.
The bunny is to you.
Do the bunny ears to me. There we go.
Like the bunny.
If only I could do this sort of thing on stage with her, because she is the show stealer. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the content. Oh, I forgot to say why I do this. I perform the Feats of Strength every Friday until things return to normal, since there's no live gatherings to perform for anymore. But anyways, if you want to see more of this sort of thing, please subscribe. If you like it, please like. And if you think anyone should see it, please share it with them. If you have any feedback or requests or anything like that, please drop it in the comments below. I'm always happy to hear feedback from people. Anyways, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Eric Moss, over and out. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay strong, everyone. Over and out.